Jacob Zuma will be legally compelled to present himself before the state capture inquiry in November. This after the inquiry chairperson heard an application from its legal team setting out the grounds for what could be perceived as quite a drastic move. Michael Appel has more.
Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo wanted to get something clear from the start.
I decide dates.
Zondo says in no uncertain terms he has the power to issue summons.
Once the commission says, we are aware that you don't think you are implicated, we are aware that you have chosen not to apply for leave to cross-examine these witnesses, but nevertheless we want you to come and answer questions.
No less than 34 witnesses' testimony implicates Zuma in some or other wrongdoing.
How can I ignore all of those things? And all I'm doing my job to establish exactly what happened.
At the very least,
I'm giving him an opportunity to come here and clear his name.
July 2019 was the last time the inquiry saw the former head of state, where he famously
ceased to answer questions, to put it at its lightest.
While he failed in attempts to get written questions ahead of his testimony, the inquiry legal team did finally agree to give him some idea what he'd be questioned on.
There was an agreement and repeated promises that areas of interest document would be responded to. It has not been responded to.
Zondo says politely asking things from Zuma yielded little.
So I guess I'm supposed to just fold my hands and not do anything.
Seemingly left with no option, the ruling was made.
Mr. Jacob Zuma, former President of the Republic of South Africa, to appear before the Commission at 10 o'clock on the 16th to the 20th of November.
Zuma's legal team responded shortly afterwards, saying it is hard at work preparing its formal application for Zondo's recusal and expect to file that in the coming weeks. Michael Appel, Johannesburg.